Blocking a sender on Venmo is a straightforward process that helps you manage unwanted interactions. Here's how to block someone. Open the Venmo app. Start by launching the Venmo app on your mobile device and logging into your account. Navigate to the menu. Tap the three lines icon in the top left corner to open the menu. Select Settings. Scroll down and tap on Settings to access your account settings. Go to Privacy. In the Settings menu, select Privacy. This section allows you to manage your privacy preferences. Find Block Users. Scroll down until you see the Block Users option. Tap on it to see a list of users you have blocked and the option to add new users to the block list. Search for the sender. Use the search bar to find the user you wish to block. You can search by their username, phone number, or email address. Block the user. Once you find the sender, tap on their name and select Block to prevent them from sending you payments or messages. Confirm blocking. You will receive a confirmation message. Once blocked, the sender will no longer be able to interact with you on Venmo.